Oh, good morning, everyone. How are you? Oh, you're fine. Oh, very good. Are you ready to class? Okay. In the last class, in our last English class, we started a story. Do you remember that story? Yes. Which story? What is our chapter name? Yes, that is where is Duke? Chapter second. Where is Duke? Okay. Where's Duke? Where's Duke? Oh, the Duke is hiding. Okay. Who is Duke? Who is Duke? Yes, the Duke is a pet dog. Okay. Did you read the chapter? Did you read the story? Okay. Where we stop our story? We discussed only the page number 9. Okay. 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 Next. Who are they in our story? Who are they in our story? Rahul, Anju, and their mother. What is the mother's name? Mrs. Menon. Once again, did you read the story? Okay, please read the story. Once again, let's read the story. Okay, okay. What is the person? Yes, Rahul and Anju are sitting in the house. Where are they sitting? Yes, Rahul and Anju are sitting in the house. Okay, it was raining. It was raining. All of you read with me. Okay, it is raining. It is raining, and the wind is blowing. It is raining and the wind is blowing. Wind is blowing means കാറ്റ് നല്ല വൃത്തിയായി വീശുന്നുണ്ടായിരുന്നു അല്ലേ. Close the windows. Who said that? Mrs. Menon asked them to Rahul, close the windows. Okay, close the windows. Rahul says Mrs. Menon. You close the door. Anju, you close the door. Anju. Okay, next. They will bang and the glass will break. They will bang and the glass will break. There is a storm outside. There is a storm outside, says Mrs. Menon. Mummy, where is the Duke? Where is the dog? Where is our dog, Duke? Who is the Duke? Yes, their pet dog. Who is our dog, Duke? Okay, is he out in the storm? Is he out in the storm? Ask Anju. Understand? Let's recall our story. Rahul and Anju are sitting in the house. At that time, it was raining outside and wind was blowing. The wind was blowing. Okay. At that time, their mother asked them to one. Rahul, close the windows. Rahul, close the windows. Okay. Next. At that time, Rahul asked them to Anju. You close the door. Anju, you close the door. Okay. If they will bang, അവർ രണ്ടുപേരായിട്ട് കൂടിയിട്ട് അങ്ങോട്ട് കൂടി വലിക്കാൻ. If they will bang, the glass will break. Okay. And there was a storm outside. And there was a storm outside. Storm is കൊടുങ്കാറ്റ്. Okay. Next, Mummy, at that time, they remembered about their dog Duke. Mummy, who is dog? Where's our dog? Duke. Is he out in the storm? Ask Anju. Is he out in the storm? At that time they listened about their dog. They come to see their dog. Is he out in the storm? അവൻ പുറത്ത് കൊടുങ്കാറ്റ് പുറത്ത് കൊടുങ്കാറ്റുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ അവൻ പുറത്താണോ? അഞ്ജു ask them. Okay. Did you understand this? Okay. Let's go to next page. Okay. All of you turn to next page. All of you open at the page number 10. Did you take? Okay. Let's read the story. All of you read along with me. Okay. When you read, you must put your finger under the lines. Okay. And read along with me. Okay. Let's see if Duke is hiding. How? Let's see if Duke is hiding, says Rahul. Okay. Anju and Rahul looks for Duke. Anju and look for Duke. Anju looks in the kitchen. Okay. Duke calls Anju. Duke calls Rahul. Okay. But Duke does not come. Mummy, Duke is not here. Where can he be hiding? Ask Rahul. Rahul looks for Duke in the dining room. But he is not there. Okay. Duke is here, says Mrs. Menon. Duke is here. At that time, Mrs. Menon said that. Duke is here, says Mrs. Menon. Okay. He is hiding under the bed. He is afraid of the storm. Come on, Duke. Come out, Duke. Okay. But Duke does not come out. He is afraid of the storm. He will not come out until the storm stops. He will not come out until the storm stops. Okay. Understand anything? What did you understand? They found Duke. Yes. From where? Under the bed. Okay. Once again, let's see the story. There is a storm outside. At that time, they are closed their windows, and that time Anju asked them, where is our dog? Duke. Is he out in the storm? Let's see if Duke is hiding, says Rahul. Rahul എന്താ പറഞ്ഞത്? നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം അവനെ ഒളിച്ചിരിക്കുകയാണെന്ന് നോക്കാം. Hiding means HIDE. All of you read the word meaning of hiding given in your textbook. What is the word meaning of hiding? To be in a place where one cannot be found. To be in a place where one cannot be found. To be in a place where one cannot be found. ഒരാളെ കണ്ടെത്താൻ പറ്റാത്ത, to be in a place, ഒരു പ്ലേസിലായിരിക്കും. And then where one cannot be found. അയാളെ കണ്ടെത്താൻ കഴിയില്ല. And that means ഒളിച്ചിരിക്കുക. Hiding means ഒളിച്ചിരിക്കുക. Okay? Okay. Next. Anju and Rahul looks for Duke. Anju and Rahul looks for Duke. Looks for means yes, to search for someone or something. എന്തെങ്കിലും ആരെങ്കിലെയോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ എന്തെങ്കിലോ തിരയുക. സെർച്ച് മീൻസ് അന്വേഷിക്കുക, തിരഞ്ഞു കൊടുക്കുക. ലുക്സ് ഫോർ തിരഞ്ഞു പിടിക്കുക നമ്മൾ പറയില്ല. അഞ്ജു ആൻഡ് രാഹുൽ ലുക്സ് ഫോർ ഡ്യൂക്ക്. ഓക്കെ, ഗോട്ട് ഇറ്റ്. അഞ്ജു ലുക്സ് ഇൻ ദ കിച്ചൺ. വേർ ഷീ ലുക്ക്ഡ്? Anju looks in the kitchen. Anju looks in the kitchen. Duke calls Anju and calls Rahul. But Duke does not come. Anju and Rahul calls the Duke, but he does not come. Okay. Mummy, Duke is not here. Where can he be hiding? മമ്മി, അവൻ ഇവിടെ നിന്നില്ല, അവൻ എവിടെയാണ് ഒളിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്? ആസ്ക് രാഹുൽ. രാഹുൽ ലുക്സ് ഫോർ ഡ്യൂക്ക് ഇൻ ദ ഡൈനിങ് റൂം. വേർ ഹി ലുക്ക്ഡ്? Rahul looked for Duke in the dining room, but he is not there. He is there. No, he is not there. Okay. Duke is here, says Mrs. Menon. Who said that? Mrs. Menon. Duke is here. Where is he? He is hiding under the bed. Where he hiding? He is hiding under the bed. Okay. He is afraid of the storm. What is the meaning of afraid? Feeling fear. He is afraid of the storm. അവന് കൊടുങ്കാറ്റ് കണ്ടിട്ട് കൊടുങ്കാറ്റിന് പേടിയാണ്. He is afraid of the storm. കൊടുങ്കാറ്റ് പേടിച്ച് ഇരിക്കുകയാണ്. Come on Duke, come out Duke. Come out Duke. They call to Duke. Okay. But Duke does not come out. Duke പുറത്ത് വന്നില്ല. Okay. He is afraid of the storm. Okay. He will not come out until the storm stops. They found the Duke under the bed. At that time they called Duke, come on Duke, and come out Duke. But he came? No, he didn't come. Out. And what is why he didn't come out? Why? He is afraid of the storm. He will not come out until the storm stops. കൊടുങ്കാറ്റ് സ്റ്റോം കഴിയുന്നത് വരെ, കൊടുങ്കാറ്റ് നിൽക്കുന്നത് വരെ എന്താ ചെയ്യുക? ഡ്യൂക്ക് പുറത്തേക്ക് വന്നില്ല. സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ആവുന്നത് വരെ, അതായത് കൊടുങ്കാറ്റ് നിൽക്കുന്നത് വരെ ഡ്യൂക്ക് പുറത്തേക്ക് വന്നില്ല. Understand the story? Okay. Understand the story? Okay. Once again, all of you read with me. Okay. Let's see if Duke is hiding. Says Rahul. Anju and Rahul looks for Duke. Anju looks in the kitchen. Duke calls Anju. Duke calls Rahul. But Duke does not come. Okay. Mummy, Duke is not here. Where can he be hiding? Asked Rahul. Rahul looks for Duke in the dining room. Rahul looks for Duke in the dining room. But he is not there. But he is not there. But he is not there. Okay. Duke is here. Duke is here. Says Mrs. Menon. Duke is here. Says Mrs. Menon. He is hiding under the bed. He is hiding under the bed. He is afraid of the storm. He is afraid of the storm. Come on, Duke. Come out, Duke. Come on, Duke. Come out, Duke. But Duke does not come out. But Duke does not come out. He is afraid of the storm. He is afraid of the storm. He will not come out. He will not come out until the storm stops. He will not come until the storm stops. Okay. Did you understand the story? Did you got any idea of about story? Did you got any idea about story? Okay. Okay. Let's understand the story. Let's take you if you understand your story. Fill in the blanks with these words. Fill in the blanks with these words. This is here a paragraph. This is a summary of our story. Let's fill in the blanks. Are you ready? Okay. Some words are given in the box. All of you try to read the words. All of you try to read the words. Okay, what is the first word? Yes, the first word is afraid. First word is afraid and second word is storm. Okay, next third word is kitchen. Next word is room. Next word is Duke. Okay, let's fill in the blanks. Okay, are you ready? Okay, listen. Dash is hiding. Dash is hiding. Who is hiding? Who is hiding? Yes, Duke is hiding. All of you write the first word Duke. Duke is hiding. Duke is hiding. Okay. Duke is hiding. Okay. Next. He is dash of the storm. He is dash of the storm. What is that? Huh? Yes, you are right. He is afraid of the storm. 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 Okay. Next one. Did you finish? Did you finish? Rahul looks for him in the dining. Rahul looks for him in the dining. Yes, in the dining room. Rahul looks for in the dining room. Okay. Next. All of you write the words. Next. Anju looks for him. Anju looks for him in the dash. Anju looks for him in the dash. Where he look? Sorry, where she look? Yes, Anju looks for him in the kitchen. Anju looks for him in the kitchen. Okay. Okay. Next one. Mrs. Menon finds Duke under the bed. Mrs. Menon finds Duke under the bed. He will not come out until the dash stops. He will not come out until the dash stops. What is the? Yes, here storm. If you didn't finish, please write this word. The first word is dew. Next, afraid. Next, row. Next, kitchen. Next, storm. Okay. Let's see the meaning of this paragraph. Okay. Are you ready? Did you finish? Okay, once again all of you read with me. Duke is hiding. Duke is hiding. What is the meaning? Duke ഒളിച്ചിരിക്കുകയാണ്. He is afraid of the storm. He is afraid of the storm. What is that? അവന് കൊടുങ്കാറ്റിനെ പേടിയാണ്. പേടിച്ചിരിക്കുകയാണ്. Rahul looks for him in the dining room. Rahul looks for him in the dining room. രാഹുൽ അവന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ഡൈനിങ് റൂമിൽ തിരഞ്ഞു നോക്കി. ഓക്കെ, നെക്സ്റ്റ് Anju looks for him the kitchen. Anju looks for him the kitchen. അഞ്ജു അവന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് കിച്ചണിലും അന്വേഷിച്ചു. ഓക്കെ, നെക്സ്റ്റ് Mrs. Menon finds Duke under the bed. Mrs. Menon finds Duke under the bed. Mrs. Menon ഡ്യൂക്കിനെ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുന്നു. എവിടുന്ന്? ഫ്രം he is under the bed. Mrs. Menon finds Duke under the bed. Mrs. Menon ബെഡിനടിയിൽ നിന്ന് ഡ്യൂക്കിനെ കണ്ടെത്തുന്നു. നെക്സ്റ്റ് He will not come out until the storm stops. അവന് കൊടുങ്കാറ്റ് കഴിയുന്ന സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ആവുന്നത് വരെ അവൻ പുറത്തേക്ക് വരുന്നില്ല. He will not come out until the storm stops. Okay, did you understand the story? Okay, now all of you take your notebook. Let's read let's write some words. Okay, in our last class we studied the 4 words. Which are they? Blowing, bang, storm. Okay, all of you take your notebook. All of you take your notebook. All of you take your notebook. Okay, which words we wrote in the previous class? Blowing, bang, storm and break. Okay, blowing, storm, break, bang. Okay, next let's write some more words. Okay, first word is hiding. All of you write the first word, hiding. Okay, hiding means ഒളിച്ചിരിക്കുക. Next word is looks for. Next word is looks for, and third word is afraid. Third word is afraid. Okay, all of you write this word one time. Now you can write one time, then after the class you can write 4 more time. Okay, which are the words? Hiding, looks for, afraid. Hiding, looks for, afraid. Okay, Okay. Next, all of you look at the page number 11. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Okay, can you read the first question? Why did Rahul and Anju close doors and windows? What is the question? Why did Rahul and Anju close the doors and windows? Did you understand any idea about question? First question is, why did Rahul and Anju close the doors and windows? First question is, why did Rahul and Anju close the doors and windows? Why did Rahul and Anju close the doors and windows? What is it? Why did Rahul and Anju close the doors and windows? എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് രാഹുലും അഞ്ജും വിൻഡോയും ഡോർസും ക്ലോസ് ചെയ്തത്? For why? Can you guess? Yes, their mother asked to close the doors. For what? Yes, Rahul and Anju closed the doors. Okay, why? It was raining and wind was also blowing. Wind was also blowing. So their mother asked them to what? Close the doors and windows. Okay, let's write it. Answer is, it was raining and wind was raining and wind was blowing outside. Okay, it was raining and wind was blowing outside. So their mother asked them to close the doors and windows. Okay, what is the answer was the question? Why did Rahul and Anju close the doors and windows? Why did the Rahul and Anju close the doors and windows? എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് രാഹുലും അഞ്ജും വിൻഡോയും ഡോർസൊക്കെ ക്ലോസ് ചെയ്തത്? എന്താണ്? ഇറ്റ് വാസ് റെയിനിങ് അന്നായിരുന്നു, മഴ പെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നു. ആൻഡ് വിൻഡ് വാസ് ബ്ലോയിങ്, കാറ്റ് വീശുന്നുണ്ടായിരുന്നു, കാറ്റ് നല്ല ശക്തിയായിട്ട് വീശുന്നുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. എവിടെ? ഇൻ ദ ഔട്ട്സൈഡ്. ഇറ്റ് വാസ് റെയിനിങ് ആൻഡ് വിൻഡ് വാസ് ബ്ലോയിങ് ഔട്ട്സൈഡ്. ഇറ്റ് വാസ് റെയിനിങ് ആൻഡ് വിൻഡ് വാസ് ബ്ലോയിങ് ഔട്ട്സൈഡ്. പുറത്ത് നല്ല കാറ്റും വീശുന്നുണ്ടായിരുന്നു, മഴയും ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. സോ ദെയർ മദർ ആസ്ക്ഡ് ദം ടു, സോ അതുകൊണ്ട് അവരുടെ അമ്മ അവരോട് പറഞ്ഞു എന്ന്, to close the doors and windows. To close the doors and windows. It was raining. All of you read with me the question and answer. Why did Rahul and Anju close the doors and windows? Okay, what is the answer? It was raining It was raining and the wind was blowing. And the wind was blowing outside. Okay, so their mother asked them to close the doors and windows. Okay, understand the question answer? Understand the question and answer? Okay. Did you write this question and answer one time? Okay. Dear students, it's one time to wind up. Okay, all of you read our story very well. All of you read our story carefully and study the spelling of the word and the answer of the question. All of you study very well the question and answer. Okay, then after you are studying, please conduct a dictation. Okay, all of you read the chapter very well. Okay, see you next class. Okay, thank you.